What are we calling this? 3 models, 1 photographer.
Yep.
Okay, 2 steps forward. Yep, yep.
This is our incredible photographer, Ben Amari. Are you going to be rebranding, or do you like your name, Ben Amari? Okay, I remember we had that conversation before. I wasn't there.
I tried looking at my name, and every Ben Amari, every variation of it has been taken by a bunch of Middle Eastern people. I don't know what's going on, but...
Well, this is Ben Amari. You can find him on social media, basically everywhere, including YouTube, Instagram. Yeah. So check out his channel, ASAP. He's going to be shooting all of our content today, and we're going to have some fun.
All right, mic check, mic check, mic check. Look at this, guys. You're with the celebrities.
I think you got their
Don't adjust your screens. They're actually that blonde, and I'm this dark. You know?
My hair looks like it's glowing.
Everyone's glowing. Say hi. We back.
Hey guys.
We're back at it.
Okay, she's actually a designer of
Golden Swimwear.
Golden Swimwear. Let's just treat it like a client campaign.
Yeah.
Okay,
perfect.
so that's how I'm gonna treat this. So you know.
And you got to see our toys that we brought for accessories.
Editor, you can add a little funny little thing on that. Yeah, so we're gonna treat this like I'm shooting a campaign. So we're gonna try to get a lot of looks out of it. We're gonna try to get some organic shots, and let's go. Check out the car Taylor rode in. This is just her car for the day. Sheesh. Check out Taylor's channel. She got a lot of cool, she does, you know, like a different car every day. She's a car girl. I tried fitting in, I can't even fit in it, man. It's not built for guys like me. You wanna tell the viewers about the car you rode in on?
Yeah, so this is a 2017 Lamborghini Huracan.
How many ponies in it?
How many ponies?
Yeah, is that what people say? How many ponies or?
How many horses?
Horses, okay. I knew that. I was just trying to be, I was trying to sound like a cool car guy, you know?
He's testing.
You just, cars are like outfits, right, for you? You just, you know?
I have the most basic style.
Guys love shoes. Some people like designer stuff. Taylor likes cars, you know? We are on location finally after dragging that cart a fucking mile, thanks to all the help from these guys, moral support. So, interesting about this part, drop in the comments if you want me to send you the location, is this is the only beach I've seen in Miami where you get a West Coast sunset. So you see the sun now, right? Sun's up there, it's gonna be coming down over the horizon. You're gonna get this backlit shot where you see the sun over the water. You don't get that in Miami, because normally the beach is over there, right? And the sun is coming overhead. So you either get a nice sunrise, but you don't get a West Coast kind of sunset look. I'll drop some examples here. But yeah, that's why I love this beach. You're gonna get some really cool looks. And also the interesting part, see those big, what do you call them? Yeah, the cruise ships over there. So this is the outlet. And they come out of this area. And when they do, it's like a little mini tsunami happens. Like all the water just goes back and then you gotta book it or else you're gonna get swamped. Like you'll see it while we're shooting. If one of these ships come out, this whole area just gets flooded in a second. And your only warning is that the water starts receding. So while the girls were getting ready, I quickly kind of put together a Pinterest board of like some group shots that we could possibly do. So I feel like that's like probably my, not my strongest, but my less practiced part is group shots. Not that I take terrible ones, but I like to take some really interesting ones, you know? Taylor looks like she's dying right now. You're just hangover, oh shit, damn. She said she went too hard for the Super Bowl. Guys, all these shots are intentional, like we're using that cop back. All right, so the light's at an angle, right? It's coming here, it's not flat on, it's a little bit of angle, it's creating shadows. So I think that's great for a detail shot. It just gives you more, you know, more contrast, and then you get a little bit of drama in your shots like that, right? So let's start with light straight on.
Okay.
So many different options here, right? I mean, I'm sure you guys know this, but you know, you can do light straight on right here. You can do backlit, you know. Once that sun gets lower, it's gonna look really good. We can do half and half, which is my favorite. So I want you to turn a little bit.
Like this way?
Right there. Now you see the shadows that's on her abs, but the shadow, I don't want that shadow like that on her face. So her face is gonna be facing me, but then if you turn, it creates more shadows on her abs, definition on her abs. But her face has gotta be towards the light, right? So little tricks right there. But we're gonna start basic, just light straight on.
Okay.
Okay. You guys, we're just gonna do bestie shots with you guys. So let me see if I like you backlit. All right, so we're gonna go bestie, kind of lean on top of her, yeah? Fire. Gorgeous. Oh, I love that. Let me get a close-up of that.
Cute. Yeah, that's super cute. I love that.
I love it. So now you get the vibe. That's what I'm going for. So I'm gonna throw a little bit. Maybe you're like looking for seashells or something. Matter of fact, I'm gonna get you all in here.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go. He said what?
I love how funny we are.
Wait, what'd you find? That was cute. That's cute. Almost. I want full set now. Do it, and then you're gonna sit right next to them. Okay? Okay? Two steps forward. Nice, then swing back. Okay, 2 steps forward. Yep, yep. Then back. Then 2 steps forward. Then back. Nice, now tighten up a little bit more. 2 steps forward and back. Okay, it's okay if she's further. Beautiful. That's fire. So, okay, yeah, I gotta shoot
On my hip.
F5. I'm gonna go to F5.6 here to get everything in focus. Oh, that's cool. I like that. Nice. Let me have you like.
Do you like all the way?
Yeah. Oh shit, we're about to get hit with the waves. Okay, Meg, why don't you like bend a leg? Make like a nice silhouette. Let me have you on your back.
Me? On my back?
Yeah.
On my back or like on my stomach?
On your back.
Okay.
And then just arch. It's all silhouette, so.
All right, Taylor is deathly hungry, so we have to put a pause on shooting and potentially end it for the day. We came out super early, so we forgot that sunset is not for a very long time, but we didn't bring any lunch or water. There's the crew in the back. Megan's butt is just crazy.
All right, guys, Taylor has a medical emergency. We got to take her to the taco spot. Okay, anyway. Guys, we struggled a little bit today. It's
very hot.
It's very hot. I think we came out too early. The days are getting longer, but
We killed it.
we killed it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys learned something. Drop everyone's channels.
Nat got back.
Taylor Gallo 2 underscores.
Meg Living with 2 M's.
Yeah.
And shop.golden, GOALDEN.
For these amazing bikinis.
Yeah. We'll drop a link for everything, so.
Thank you guys for watching and
Yeah.
coming along with us. We really tried to have a second look and may or may not still happen. We're gonna see after food,
Yeah.
but we totally crushed it.
Absolutely not.
Please like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more content like this, guys.
Subscribe for more.
That's our girl Taylor plugging it.
Peace.
Taylor's happy. I said you're happy. You finally get a break and eat some food. Cheers.